Have you ever wondered how dental clinics can answer patient inquiries instantly, book appointments automatically, and stays available 24 by 7 without hiring extra staff? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build your own dental clinic AI agent without writing a single line of code using all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool called Pabbly Chatflow. But before we jump into the setup, let me give you a quick real-time overview of how this AI assistant actually works. So right now I am on my WhatsApp and this number is connected to my dental clinic AI agent. Let's start the conversation by asking a common patient question. As I am 28 years old, is it too late for braces or clear aligners? As you can see, within seconds the AI assistant analyzes the query and provides a helpful professional response. It explains that adults can absolutely benefit from braces or clear aligners and recommends a dental consultation for the sensitivity issue. Now let's ask another question. As I want a brighter smile before my wedding, what treatment options should I consider? Look at that, the assistant instantly suggests relevant treatments such as teeth whitening, veneers and smile makeovers. Now let's say I want to schedule an appointment. So I sent a message, I'd like to book a teeth whitening appointment. Now notice how it automatically starts collecting my details, asks for the required information and guides me through the booking process. And once I provide all of my information, immediately I receive the personalized appointment confirmation message. Not only these questions, this assistant handles everything automatically and professionally. And this is exactly how modern dental clinics are improving patient experience while reducing administrative workloads. And the best part, you can also create a similar AI assistant for your own clinic or business using Pabbly Chatflow. But before we start building this AI assistant, let's quickly understand why thousands of businesses are moving towards Pabbly Chatflow. Now, traditional customer support methods come with several challenges. Staff cannot respond 24 by 7, appointment requests may get missed, patients often have to wait for replies, and managing inquiries manually becomes difficult as the clinic grows. Pabbly Chatflow solves all of these problems by enabling businesses to create AI-powered WhatsApp assistants that can answer customer questions instantly, book appointments automatically, qualify leads, collect information, and provide 24 by 7 support. And the best part is that everything can be built using a simple virtual interface. Absolutely no coding required. If after watching this tutorial you decide that Pabbly Chatflow is the right solution for your business, then you can go and purchase it by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Now that you have seen how powerful dental clinic AI agent can be, without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into Pabbly Chatflow and start building this AI assistant step by step. Alright, so if you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and done the sign up process. Once you do this, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Chatflow, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Once you reach there, on the left hand side you will see multiple features. You need to come towards this AI assistant feature, and this AI assistant page is going to be appear in front of you. Here you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. In few minutes you will understand how you can create an AI assistant and what is knowledge base. For creating a new AI assistant, you have to click on this plus add AI assistant button. Next, give your AI assistant a descriptive name. I am giving it as a dental clinic AI agent. Automate patient inquiries and appointment bookings 24 by 7. After that, I am clicking on this plus add AI assistant button and see. Our AI assistant is created successfully. Now this right here is the starting point of doing the setup of your AI assistant, where at first you have to select the instructions type. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of instructions. You can select any one according to your choice. I am selecting it as an AI agent, and as soon as I can select the instructions type here, it will automatically generate the instructions in this field. Instructions defines how the AI should behave and how AI assistant will give reply replies to your user. In simple terms, these are the rules that AI assistant needs to follow while giving the responses. Next one is the temperature. Temperature controls the creativity level of AI assistant, as lower temperature gives stable and accurate values, while high temperature gives creative and flexible responses. Here I have set it the temperature is 0.5. You can increase or decrease it from here if you want to. After that, the model provider I am selecting as OpenAI. Next, you need to select the model. It will provide you multiple types of model. I am selecting it as a GPT-4o mini. Now in the next is asking you for the API token. So for getting this token, I am going to take you to my OpenAI platform. So this is my OpenAI API keys page, and for getting this API key, you need to click on this plus create new secret key button. Next, the name is an optional. You can give it if you want to. The project I am selecting as default project and the permission as all. After that, I am clicking on this create secret key button. See, I got my API key. Here, I want you to know that for generating this API key, your OpenAI account is need to be paid. Now, I am copying this API key from here and pasting it in this field. After pasting the API key, I am clicking on this connect button. See, it says that OpenAI key saved successfully. Moving forward are the assistant settings with multiple options. If you want to add any header or footer message, then you can enable this toggle and enter in each of these boxes. I am not adding. If you want to add any stop keywords, then you can enable this toggle and enter the word in this field. See, stop keywords works like this. For example, I have entered the stop keyword in this field as stop, and the user will send exact that keyword while communicating with your AI assistant. Then your AI assistant will become stop, and on that point, human inputs is required to restart the conversation. I am not adding any stop keywords too. After that, the retry attempts. Retry attempts is defined as how many times your AI assistant will retry to give replies to your user. You can increase it till 10. And the last one is fallback message. The fallback message is the message that sends to the user if your assistant fails to reply due to some technical error such as API key problem or in connection issue. Then this fallback message is going to be sent to the user for the better conversation. Now I am moving forward to the next and the most important part of doing the setup of your AI assistant, that is knowledge source. Here you need to upload a knowledge base file. Now what is knowledge base? So knowledge base is the information bank for AI assistant. With knowledge base, AI assistant gives business specific and accurate replies, but without knowledge base, AI assistant gives general responses. In this tutorial, we are going to design an AI assistant specially for dental clinic. So for that, I have already created one knowledge base file before. See, this is how the knowledge base file look like. You have to make sure that the knowledge base file contains all the information related to your business, as it works like a brain for your AI assistant. Beside this, I have added the dental services, pricing, and some general FAQs too. So this is how the knowledge base file look like. I have created this by my choice. You can customize it completely based on your own clinic. And for creating this type of knowledge base file, you can use Google Docs or any other application by the help of which you can create a PDF or the text formatted file. I want you to know that the file size should be less than 90 MB and the accepted formats are .txt or .pdf. There is no page limit for text PDF, but if the PDF has images, that it is limited to 10 pages. Now for uploading a new knowledge base file, you have to click on this option, click on this add new file and choose a file from your gallery. See, the file is uploaded successfully. Next, you need to select the file from here and click on this insert button. So this is how easily you can upload knowledge base file. Moving forward is the assistant interface. Here you can give design to your AI assistant by making changes in each of these fields. At first, I am entering a heading as Bright Smile Dental Care, and you can see as soon as I enter the heading here, it will automatically change here too. So basically, this is the final look of the AI assistant that are going to visible in front of your user. After that, the subheading I have entered as we are online and happy to assist you. Next, I am changing the initial message as hello, I am your dental clinic AI assistant. I can help you schedule appointment, check treatment information and answer common dental questions. I added only one initial message here, but you can add two. Next, the label that is powered by Pabbly. You can disable it from here if you want to. After the footer text, I have entered as privacy policy, also added one footer link, and the user first message I have entered as I need help. Now I am going towards the styling. Here you can give style to your AI assistant by making changes in its themes, colors and shape. As it is looking good, so I am not changing it, but you can customize it from here if you want to. After that, I I'm enabling this toggle so that my AI assistant will become active, and clicking on the Save AI Assistant button. So this is how easily you can create a WhatsApp AI assistant by using Pabbly Chatflow. And the another button is Embed button. With the help of this button, you can access your AI assistant inside your websites as well. So not only here, you can access your AI assistant anywhere. This is the magic of Pabbly Chatflow. After doing this setup, I'm clicking on the settings option and going in this inbox settings. See, this is the inbox settings of Pabbly Chatflow, where you have to scroll down and you will see one option by the name of Enable AI Auto Reply Settings. You have to make sure that to enable this toggle and select the contact list from here on whom you want to set your AI assistant. Also select the AI assistant from this drop down and click on the Save button. So this is how easily you can set the AI assistant to all of your contacts. Now the setup and the creation of our AI assistant is fully completed. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while creating this AI assistant, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. And not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp AI assistant based on your own business and train them using your own business knowledge base. The steps are similar. You need to understand the logic. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe our YouTube channel. This type of AI assistant will give instant replies to your patients in real time like this. Books appointments, solves their queries and guide them even when you are sleeping. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing dental AI agent for your own business too. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.